The U.S. Congress is again discussing a Drone Infrastructure Inspection Grant Act, which would offer funding for drone technology and training to support the President's Infrastructure Development Package. H.R. 3595, introduced by Rep Greg Stanton and Garret Graves, is a reprise of the 2021 H.R. 5315, which passed in the House but did not progress in the Senate last year. The grant supports the drone industry in several ways, not least in the acknowledgement that drone technology offers significant efficiencies for infrastructure inspection. The act would provide funding for state, local, and tribal governments to purchase or contract for approved drone technology to perform critical infrastructure inspection, maintenance, rehabilitation, or construction projects, says a Rep. Stanton press release on H.R. 5315. Drones are a common-sense tool to inspect some of the toughest-to-reach parts of our infrastructure, said Stanton. It's safer, speedier, and more sustainable. These grants will go a long way to help state, local, and tribal governments invest in this cutting-edge technology and better care for aging infrastructure. Additionally, the DIIG Act would provide funding to institutions of higher education, including community colleges, to develop drone workforce training. This aligns with sections of the FAA Reauthorization Act of 2018, which tasked the FAA with creating the UAS Collegiate Training Initiative. Michael Robbins, Chief Advocacy Officer for the Association for Uncrewed Vehicle Systems International (OVC), said the DIIG Act would help the U.S. drone industry remain competitive. Drones are being relied on as indispensable tools for critical operations, including infrastructure inspections, and that role will only continue to grow as the technology advances further. The future of aviation leadership is in autonomy, and the United States must invest in supporting the drone industry and growing workforce, said Robbins. The DIIG Act accomplishes both goals by providing states with grants to funding to acquire and utilize secure drones for infrastructure inspection and to train the workforce to conduct these critical missions. The U.S. cannot afford to fall behind in the drone industry's ability to attract capital, investment, and workforce, said Robbins. Congress should pass this common-sense legislation to help level the playing field for the U.S. drone industry and to encourage the infrastructure and workforce benefits the DIIG Act would bring to communities nationwide.